Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Premier Small Wonder 1.5 liter tabletop wet grinder. So if you are considering adding a wet grinder to your kitchen, you can just check out the product link in the description box below. So let's start our review with its features. So the Premier Small Wonder features a 200-watt motor and a 1.5 liter capacity, making it suitable for small to medium sized families. It basically designed to grind the rice, lentils and other ingredients into the smooth, consistent batters while preserving the texture and the nutritional value. The drum is made of stainless steel, which feels very sturdy and durable, while the outer components use food grade plastic to keep the unit lightweight and easy to handle. It also includes the useful attachments like a coconut scraper and atta kneader, which expand its functionality beyond just batter preparation. In the real world usage, the setup is very simple. You just have to attach the drum, add the soaked ingredients and switch it on. During testing with dosa and idli batters, the grinder delivered a smooth, fluffy consistency with minimal manual efforts. The kneader attachment works well for the small batches of dough, and the coconut scraper is also convenient for the fresh chutneys. Cleaning is fairly easy thanks to the removable drum and the simple design. However, one noticeable downside is the noise level. The motor can be a bit loud during the operation. Also, while the stainless steel drums feel solid, the plastic parts don't feel as premium and may not handle the heavy duty use as well over time. Overall, the performance of the product is very reliable for everyday home cooking, especially if you regularly prepare the traditional recipes. So if you are looking for a compact, efficient grinder for the authentic batters and small batch dough preparation, it can be a solid option for you at this particular price point. Just keep in mind the noise and the lighter plastic build. If this video helped you out, thanks for watching and don't forget to check the product out. The link is in the description.